Hello everyone, this is Todd, and I'm going to show you how to check your version of Zoom and update it on Windows 10. So first you need to click on your profile picture, go all the way down to Help, then click About, and you'll see which version you're running. To update Zoom, click on your profile picture once again. Go down to Check for Updates. Now here we see that I am up to date. However, if there is an update, it would check in, show that there's an update available, and you can press Update, and it'll begin installing. When you restart Zoom, you'll be running the newest version, as you see here. That's it.